So what I want to do is take a look at the Dow so far today. We are quarter past 4 UK time, so it's quarter past 11, and we're a couple of hours into the US session, and some really nice moves already taking place. So taking a while for the market to get going, quite a bit of chop right on that 230 open. You are going to get that. Sometimes best to just sit back, get deep away from it for the time being, and let the market just settle down. And it moved down in line as you'd expect with the arrows there until eventually we broke back the other way. So you see how the arrow is pointing down here, then we flip to move the arrows back underneath it, lower part of the price channel there, and that's meaning is we're looking for an explosive move. So when you see the arrows start from outside the channel, you're expecting big moves. Okay, what this means is we're going to be slightly more aggressive with the entry. We're going to get in on the open of this bar, the close of this bar. When the arrow flips, open of this new bar, we've got green lines here, so we're suggesting this market is about to start to move back up again with a relatively explosive move. And here you've got the buy on the open there, 29320. And actually, do you know what? First bar looking really good, immediately up 7 or 8 points, then starts to come flying straight back in, thinking, oh god. But we're going to start to trail our stop up using these arrows, start to trail it up. Let's see how this trade is panning out, because it's live on, it's on at the moment, still moving sideways there, but the stop continuing to chase underneath this, reducing our risk as the market continues to move sideways. And you're going to get that from time to time. These trades, they're not necessarily going to move into profit straight away. Here is though when we start to see the market accelerate those. We start to go beyond 350. Here we are, so quarter past 4 at the moment. It's starting to really motor in the right sort of direction here. So remember, long from 29,320. So currently here up about 30 points. Some people will be out now, and that's fine. But I'm going to follow it according to the arrow to try and squeeze more profit out of this trade. And we're starting to see the arrow now starting to accelerate, chasing up more closely from that entry there. So now we're about 15 points covered because of the arrow as it continues to move up. And here we are right on live prices right at this point. So at the moment, I'm covering about a 57-point profit right now. We're fairly close. I'm probably going to get stopped out on this over the next couple of minutes. At the moment, up 68 points live with my stop up around 55 points or so, 56 points. We'll see how the trade pans out, and we'll continue to trail it. It may be we get knocked out straight away. It may be that it's going to pause and it's going to have another leg further high. Who knows? But we'll continue to run it. There we are. Stop moved up again. We're currently up about 50 points on that trade from that original entry on the open of that 324 bar. Okay, there you go. So we'll see how it pans out.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.